You probably already know that lead time can vary for attachments. Believe me, I know it can be frustrating at times and possibly confusing too. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the factors that have a say in lead time being a certain number of weeks to possibly months. Hi, I'm Mike Noward with Werk-Brau, and we're here to tell you our tips and tricks of the trade to help you make the best decision for your dealership or your contracting business. For today's topic, we're going to go over what causes lead times to fluctuate. I'm going to cover stock items, production process, and custom work, which all have a say in how quickly we can get that beautiful Werk-Brau attachment onto your machine. So real quick, for those who might be new here, let's talk a little bit about what lead time is. Basically, it's going to be the time it takes from when your order gets placed with us to when that order is at the dealership ready to be installed on your machine. Once your order is quoted and placed, the first thing we look at is whether your item is in stock. For common attachments like excavator buckets, D-lock couplers, common sizes of loader buckets and thumbs, we work hard to keep those on the shelf and ready to ship. So if it's in stock, you can expect your attachment to ship within 3 to 5 business days from the date of your order. That's going to allow our team to get the attachment off the shelf, check for quality, get it packaged, and for our shipping team to arrange a truck for it. Sometimes it could even be sooner. It just depends on the timing of your order and where across the country we are stocking the item. Please keep in mind that you still have to take into consideration the time it's going to take for a truck to ship from our location to yours. If your attachment isn't in stock, we're going to look to see if it's currently in process of being made. At Werk-Brau, since we stock thousands of attachments, we keep common attachments and items moving through production continuously. So if the attachment you request isn't currently stocked, it's more than likely that it may be in process as you are requesting it. So if your attachment is already being built, you're typically looking at 2 to 4 weeks. If your attachment is not common and not in process, we need to build it from scratch. If that's the case, it's important you understand our process. So put simply, every attachment is built in a specific production booth. Your lead time is going to be driven by the capacity of that booth at that moment. What if you're ordering multiple attachments? Well then, your group lead time is going to be based on the attachment with the longest production time because we try to ship full orders at a time. This is going to really help our production team be more efficient, but it's also going to help you in the long run because a lot of times you can't really start installing until you have everything anyways. And it's going to save time and money on shipping. One thing that can extend lead time beyond the booth itself are specialty components. Things like hydraulic cylinders, specialty teeth, or custom wear protection. If those parts have a longer lead time than the build itself, then that's going to affect your timeline and extend your lead time. Custom attachments require engineering time on top of the build time. Custom attachments can take multiple days to design and approve before finalizing an order, which all can increase your lead time. Depending on the complexity and our current production capacity, custom lead times typically run anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks on the short end to 4 to 6 weeks for more larger and complex builds. So to recap, lead times vary based off of whether or not your attachment is stocked, our production capacity, specialty add-ons, and custom orders. Here's our honest promise to you. Most of our standard attachments, like we talked about before, are built and delivered in under 4 weeks. We'll always tell you where we are, what's realistic, and we never want to give you a date that we can't stand behind. If this video helped you understand lead time just a little bit, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and we can reach a lot more people and help people just like you. If you still have more questions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.